Our championship channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, North Pyramid North. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
It's a very big game for us, especially playing home during North.
Yeah.
But my problem is one with you, my brother, that you interview Mlomo FC and Orlando Pirates. You know what Mlomo FC is?
No, I don't know.
Chiefs.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs. You call them Mlomo FC.
So what is the problem with that?
No, the problem is why interview them? They are not playing. They don't qualify.
Remember, this is not a Sundowns channel. It's a football channel. So I can interview anyone that I want.
Yeah, but let me tell you, there's no way that they'll talk anything good about us.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
When now you counter-attack them. If they talk nonsense about you,
it's what I'm saying.
talk nonsense
It's
about
what
them.
I'm not talking nonsense about it.
Yeah.
Mlomo FC, they'll always come here
Yeah.
and disrespect us. Or no, we drew the game because they expect us to win. Because
But you didn't draw.
yeah, let's say draw today.
Exactly. So
It's a point for us.
That means true. They're talking true.
No, they're talking true.
Yeah.
Let them come. No, competition. Let them come and play.
Let's not talk about detail in it. Let's talk about the game here today. How did you see the game here today?
It was a very beautiful game.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a goal. And it's legitimate. It's a goal.
And half is out as a goal.
Yeah, that's a goal. South Africa. You know it. It's a legitimate goal.
Yeah. Let's hope how pyramid you manage to score at least a goal.
Standard fairness is 4-4-4-4. Win, draw.
Yeah.
4 points. If we go there, we draw again, we got 5 points.
Yeah.
What difference does it make?
You
Either way or other, we lead
You
them.
need 3 points.
Yeah, we don't need 3 points. We only need a point.
No. You can't go there for a point because you didn't get 3 points here. You need to make sure that
let me tell you,
you cement your place.
let me tell you, as big as Sundowns it is, there's no way that we go there for a draw.
Yeah.
And then this is not a bad game. We are not celebrating.
Yeah.
We are very angry about it because we used to celebrate wins.
Yeah.
It's how we live.
And you can't go there to draw. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, thank you very much, my brother. All the best in future.